In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money internationally using Wise, particularly focusing on sending to Pakistan. Understanding how to manage your finances and make international transfers can really simplify your life. And with today's technology, doing this has never been easier. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. To start, you'll need to open Wise on your device. Once you've got the app or website open, the first thing you'll do is click on the Send button. This is where the magic happens, sending money quickly and efficiently. Now, since we're sending money to Pakistan, let's adjust our settings accordingly. You'll want to change the recipient currency to Pakistani rupee. This is essential because it ensures your recipient receives the correct amount in their local currency, avoiding unnecessary conversion troubles later on. Next, it's time to decide on the amount you wish to send. Enter the figure in the designated field. Be sure to double-check this as it'll help avoid any potential errors or misunderstanding down the line. With the amount set, the next step is to choose your preferred payment method. Here, I'm going to select the e-wallet option. However, you might find other options available depending on your location or preferences, such as bank transfer or card payment. Make a choice that fits your needs best. An impressive feature of Wise is the ability to adjust the arrival time of your money. You can actually set the exact date when you want it delivered. This flexibility is great if you're managing ongoing payments or planning around specific financial needs. Before you finalize, you also have the opportunity to review all related fees and taxes. These will be clearly displayed, ensuring there are no surprises upon completion of the transaction. Transparency is key, and Wise makes sure you're informed every step of the way. Once you're satisfied with everything, it's time to click Add Recipient. This is where you input the specifics about who you're sending the money to. You can search using their email, phone number, or even their bank details for a seamless process. In this session, we'll go with the option to add bank details. You'll then click on Someone Else. This allows you to manually enter the recipient's bank account information. Be accurate with these details. It's crucial for ensuring that your transfer reaches the intended recipient without a hitch. After entering the details, proceed by clicking Continue. Wise will then let you review all the transfer information one last time, offering peace of mind that everything entered is correct and ready to go. Finally, once you're confident everything looks good, click on Pay. Your transaction will be processed and you'll have successfully sent money to Pakistan using Wise. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching and following along. Remember, Wise is a powerful tool for managing international payments smoothly and efficiently.